Namaskaram, I'm Pinu Naina and today we'll be talking about 10 most productive habits that can help a student or a person to make their mornings more productive and more efficient in a way. So let's begin with the video without any delay. So the first one is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. It will make you feel more organized and more productive because sleeping at the same time and waking up the same time makes you feel like, yes, I'm way more organized today and I feel like more being confident. So it ensures a good sleep quality. Second one is to establish a conducive sleep environment. It means that you have to create an environment which should be sleep favorable. Means like you can have the dark sceneries in your rooms which make your room feel darker. There will be no lights in the room. You can make it like without any lights room during the night time. You can use a little bit of lamp or a dim lighting so that you can have favorable sleeping environment. But do ensure that you don't sleep in an environment which makes you feel like it's very noisy and very and unfavorable. And don't sleep in the hot environment. Sleep in a cool environment and like surrounding will be cool. Secondly, you can invest into the mattresses or beds and pillows which makes you feel comfortable in it, and you should not feel any uncomfortable thing in your body while you're sleeping. Third one point is by implementing digital detox by limiting screen time. It means that before you sleep, 1 hour before you sleep, you should leave all the gadgets that you use in daily life. You can stop using your TV, your mobile phone, your any other screen, your VCR or any or VR. You say anything you use which is related to technology or any gadget for your entertainment. Just leave it. Okay, this will help you make feel more soothing and you can say more relaxing. Okay, this is one of the most important thing that, and also included in the morning time also, that 1 hour after waking up you should not use mobile phones. This will make you feel like more relaxing because whenever you start using mobile phone, your mind start making thoughts about many things and that all goes into jumble in your mind, and things should not happen with you. You can relax your mind by incorporating physical activities and relaxation. For example, in the morning time, you should do only light or medium exercises. You should not go for any heavy exercise or weightlifting or any heavy workout or something like this. Okay, you should go for normal things to do, like you can do yoga also, you can do meditation also, you can listen to music also, soothing music, not jazz or rock or any like very beatful music. Just use soothing music in the morning. Also, you can add going into the nature, means going to the park, garden, or any famous place you think so. Like if you live near mountain, you can go there also. So it's totally up to you. Same goes for the night, and you can relax your mind by listening to soothing music, playing games even at night time. Not digital games, but online, but only offline games. For example, you can play chess, Sudoku, or you can play any other game you feel like you can. Okay. Fourth one is to optimize your diet and hydration. It means that before you sleep, you should not eat anything that is heavy for you because it leads to digestive problems. Okay. You should eat only light or anything that you feel like moderate food. For example, you can eat fruits in the morning. You can eat oats in the morning. You can eat chocos in the morning, or like milk or banana shake or any juice type thingy, but not the heavy things. For example, pranthas or you say chole or chole bhature or anything you say. Okay, you shouldn't eat like this, or any fast food you can say like burgers or pizzas or anything like this. You should not eat in the morning also and at the night time also, because they may lead to digestive problems and they may upset your stomach. Okay, and the next important thing is hydration. Keep yourself hydrated. For girls, you should at least drink 3 liters in a day, and for boys, you should drink at least 5 liters or 4 liters in a day. This will lead to organization of your body with plenty amount of water, and don't drink water just before you go to the bed because this may disturb your sleep while you are sleeping, because you might get any pressure to pee or to go to the washroom, and this may disturb your sleep. You can also make a to-do list for the next day. It will help you feel like more organized for the next and more confident for the next day, that yes, I have these goals to accomplish next day and I will be on to them. This will make you feel more productive in a way, more like, yes, I'm confident about the things that I'll be doing in the next day, and this to-do list should be made right before you go to the bed. It will also give you a sense of challenging yourself, because once you challenge yourself that I have to do much better than today, then you will be doing that. If you feel like, yes, I have done greater yesterday and now today I have done much better, now I not do. This should not be your schedule. Your schedule must include, yes, I did great yesterday, I did greater yesterday, and tomorrow I'll do the greatest thing. So this should be your schedule. Next one is focus on mental well-being. It includes like you have to do all the things that makes you feel very peaceful in your mind. For example, you can give away your old stuffs to anyone. You can make a gratitude journalizing. Gratitude journalizing means you write down all the things that made you feel grateful. Means like you are thanks to all the things that happened today. And you once you start journalizing them, go through it. Say it out loud. Remember those timings. You will feel like, yes, those times were great for me and I'm grateful for that. Also, you can talk to your family before you go to sleep, because this also leads to sleep reduction. You can talk to your friend or any partner or anyone you say. Next one point is avoiding stimulants before you go to bed. Stimulants can include like caffeine or nicotine, because they leads to sleep disturbance and may lead to hormonal imbalancing, and this won't be good for you, your health and your body, and of course for your future itself. At night, do one single activity which makes you feel like, yes, after doing this particular activity, I have to go to bed. I have to go to bed. I have to go to sleep. This will make you feel like, yes, this is a ritual before I go to the sleep, and this will make you feel more organized. For example, you can shower before you go to bed, or you can massage yourself, massage your head, massage your body before you go to bed, or you can meditate, even you can pray also, or whatever you want, you should do. But limit your screen time before you go to the bed. You should not use the mobile phone before you go to the bed. Once you start doing this all activities, this should not only last for 10 to 20 days. Okay, this should last for a longer time, because longer term leads to long term benefits. And I hope this all helped you a lot, and I think so that you will definitely involve these all activities in your life before you go to the bed. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.